Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel EduVenture SG. So today we are going to solve interesting word problem on whole numbers which is on your screen now. So let's start with reading the question first. The sum of three numbers is 100. The first two numbers are equal. The third number is greater than the first number by 13. Find the first number. So what do we have here? We have three numbers, right? Three numbers of which the sum is 100. Okay, so the sum of three numbers is 100, and out of these three numbers the first two numbers are equal. And how about the third number? The third number is greater than the first number by 13. Okay, so since we know that the two numbers are equal, so let's start drawing the model first for those two numbers. So let's start it. Let's show our first two numbers like this. So let's say this is my first number. Okay, so let's write it like, okay, first. How about the second number? The two numbers are equal, so let's say the first and the second number are equal, right? So we will draw a same length bar here. Okay, so this is my second number. And how about the third one? So it's given the third number is greater than the first by 13. So this is my first, this is my second, and the third number has to be 13 more than the other two numbers, right? So let's represent it by a bar which is slightly longer than the other two numbers, right? So how much is the sum? How much? So this is my third number. Okay, now what's given? That the sum of these three numbers is 100. So how can we show it on the model? Like this, right? So the sum of these three numbers is 100, right? And what else? See, the third number is 13 more, right? So the third number is 13 more than the other two numbers, so which we can represent on the bar like this. So this extra thing is 13 more, right? So if we just from the 100, if we just take out this 13, right, will be left, all the three numbers will become equal, right? If we just take out this 13, right, if we just subtract this 13 from 100, right, if we just take out this 13, all the numbers will be equal. So let's say each of them is 1 unit. Okay, so the three of them will become equals to 3 unit. So basically our last number is 1 unit plus another 13, right? But if we take out this 13, right, then it will be only 3 units. So what should be our first step? First step is to subtract this extra 13 from the sum of all the three numbers. So let's do that. So 100 minus 13, what do you think how much it will give? It will give us 87, right? And this 87 is equal to nothing but these 3 units, right? So 1 2 3, so we can write it as 3 unit is 87. So 1 unit will be 87 divided by 3, that is equal to, that will be equal to 29. Okay, 29. So that's what is our question, right? So what's the first number? First number is equal to 1 unit. So we have already got our answer. So you can write your answer as the first number is 29. Let's say the question would have been what would be the second number. So what do you think? What would be the answer? So again, same as the first number, 29. Let's say if they've asked what is the third number, still very easy. It should be 29 plus 13, right? So yeah, so you can find any of the three, right? So hope you have enjoyed the solution. See you in the next video. Bye.